What's up everyone, this is Abhishek. Welcome back to my new vlog. We are going to do the highway review of Himalayan 2021 BS6. First of all, let's talk about the highway stability and the riding ergonomics of Himalayan 2021. If we talk about highway stability, it's pretty much stable till 120, and after 120 it starts wobbling because there is a lot of ground clearance like 220 mm, so it starts wobbling after 120. So the safe speed is under 120. And if we talk about the refinement level is too high compared to the previous Himalayan. And if we talk about the cruising speed of this Himalayan, so it's 80 to 90, and 90 km per hour is the comfortable cruising speed of this bike. And if we talk about the sweet spot, so 80 km per hour is the sweetest spot of this bike. It can easily cruise at a speed of 100 as well. There is no vibrations, and after 110 you will find it a bit uncomfortable because of the wind blast, and engine starts feeling stressed. So there are lots of vibrations after 110, and engine starts feeling stressed. But as per the Indian roads, 80 to 90 is the nice speed for bike. And if we talk about the riding ergonomics, so my feet are a little bit centered set, not too much forward set, to give me a little bit of sporty feel, which is good. And if we try to corner this bike, it can easily take on every corners. It's really a good bike for cornering as per my fashion of riding. And if we talk about the mileage, so it will easily give you a mileage of 30 to 35 on highways, which multiplies to 15 liters, and it will give you a range of 400 to 450 kilometers, which is really a good range. So you don't need to stop again and again for a few laps. And if we talk about the seating comfort of this bike, so there is too much cushions in it, in the pillion seat as well, and the driver seat as well. So it's too cushiony, which leads to a numb butt sometime, but it's really comfortable as compared to the other bikes. 10 on 10 on this. If we talk about its fifth gear, so lots of people talk about it that it's required 6 gear, but 5 gears are enough for this, because 5th gear is really a cruising gear. Put a high rev on it, so it can go up to 100, then you can lose your throttle a little bit and it will balance it over there. And 5th gear is really a long gear. It's really a cruising gear for this bike. The top speed, it saturates at 135, so it can easily cruise at 90 to 100, which is really safe for Indian highways. So for me, it's a perfect bike. There are only few things which are required for this to encounter the wind buffeting. Wind visor, extended wind visor is required. Second thing is a good brakes, because these brakes does not have enough punch, so it requires a revision on its older brakes. And if we talk about the luggage carrying capacity, so here it is. You can carry extra fuel over here by using jerry cans. And second is, you can put a magnetic tank bag over here on the tank, and again saddle stay, where you can mount your panniers and your top box. There is no complaints regarding luggage carrying capacity. It's a very versatile kind of bike. If you see any off-road during your trip, you don't need to slow down your speed. You can just go like this, and you can just cross any off-road or speed breaker, cross it very easily. So it's a very versatile kind of bike. Like it has really wonderful touring capabilities and off-roading capabilities both. So it is really a versatile kind of bike. Budget Audi, pocket friendly Audi. It's Audi Q2. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with a new video next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.